CapCut No Internet Problem Fix. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. If you are facing CapCut No Internet problem, then the first thing you need to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi or have a stable mobile data. Once you do so, you can also check if your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and here search for CapCut. Sometimes when the app is not updated, it also shows the internet connection is a problem. So if you see update instead of open, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, go below onto apps, and then search for CapCut. Here scroll below onto storage and tap on clear cache. Once you do so, try again and this will definitely fix your CapCut internet connection problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.